Okay, well here's my box now. I've rebuilt it again. That way a standard sliding glass door glass will fit on it. The one I had before was a lot bigger than a sliding glass door, and I'd have had to have a specialty piece of glass cut for it. But with a smaller design that I've done, now a sliding glass door fit on it. It's been double insulated. I've taped all the edges up. Made it all nice and neat. Alright, well I've got my box painted, rebuilt, ready to go. Tomorrow I get my glass for it, and then get it ready to hook it up. Well, here's my valve system. I've got a series of 3 valves that control the water flow, and I highly recommend installing this, because it was really nice when I was installing this thing, because I'm not much of a plumber, so I had a few leaks, and it was nice to be able to shut certain things off, go into the solar heater and whatnot. So I'm very happy that I built this 3-way valve for mine. But there's my valve into my real hot water heater. Well, there it is. I'm finally done with my solar hot water heater. Got it painted, installed, and there it is. So far, working like a champ. Got my hot and cold lines going in. And that's it. But I highly recommend building a solar hot water heater. You'll be glad you did. Thank you for watching my video.